chickens and such, coming back at you with another video.
So we were just riding our bikes in the afternoon, and we have a lot of birds that stay on the road. Yeah, we have a bunch of birds that were on the road, and so I was following this bird. I saw the wings were injured, so I was following it, and I was just looking at it, and then it collapsed on the road, and then two little baby birds. We couldn't find the other one, but we found one.
And they were just
and
walking
we also,
on the road.
On our other video, we have some of
The birds in the apple tree.
in our apple tree. And this
They're doing
one,
well, but the mom won't let us.
The pear tree.
The pear tree.
This is a different kind of bird.
Yeah, it's a different.
What is it called? A ringneck or something? Does it have circles all over its neck?
I don't know who you're talking to.
You.
Alright, let me see.
All right, let Albany come up here and show it.
What's all the other?
Don't step in the ant beds,
I see
baby.
it. And here he is. He was just running on the road.
What are we gonna name it?
Put that down in the link. Tell us what the names that you have
I said
thought
it
about.
looked like a baby emu.
It does look like an emu, but
Let us know what you think the name should be.
put it down in the link
The comments.
comments. Nothing better.
And who should they watch?
Charlie's Angels, Chickens, and Such.
I'm Legend.
I'm Albany.
My name's Leo.
Gosh, she's got a whole bunch of black on her face.
Hey, ready, guys? Ready? I'm gonna look for those.
Charlie's Angels, Chickens.